Okay, 426F Yamaha update. Putting the Supermoto wheels on. Front shims didn't work. I'm looking to see if it came in a box. I didn't recall any shims. Alright, so the first one was setting the driver left for lining up on caliper, which gave me a caliper mount gap once I bound the fit on the bottom left of the front axle spacer. Now bottom right, I put the bottom right in, took the bottom left out. That's out, and bolted down the caliper to sit nice torqued. Now the way you do this is make sure that these are loose and that is tight, and then the caliper will dictate the position according to the left fork of centering the rotor, aka the wheel. So you basically just, pump it up, press it, make sure when you unpress it you got clearance, and then when you press it, it holds. Okay, then what you do is you then tighten this. Then you got to get a caliper and do a measurement of what that is right there. And that's the distance to the spacer cut right there, which is basically this spacer here, and leaves a nice mark. Leaves a nice mark to where the sit's at. So I just take it from the sit mark, which is that line, and measure the distance I'm going to need, and then cut off this side because this side's flared there for going in like that. So that's what I'm going to have to do. So this is just too long, and it looks like it's going to be pretty much about that much right there I'm cutting, which is too bad because that's kind of grooved. Yeah, I'm gonna take a day on this. That sucks. Maybe I can cut the middle out, do 2 cuts, or just take a chunk. That way I still retain that both sides. Yeah, I don't think I want to cut that off. Well, it is what it is. That's just yeah, that's nothing I can do about it. It's just I gotta email them, but it's too wide, and it's all dictated on this caliper on this side. It's not a fit.